Today I'm starting Mahogany Splendor Hibiscus, and I thought I would take you along with me as I seed these and tell you all that I know about Mahogany Splendor Hibiscus. So unlike other varieties of hibiscus, Mahogany Splendor does not produce a flower, at least not in this zone, but it produces a beautiful red foliage to put in your flower arrangements as a filler. It is a perennial in zones 8 and 9, but here in Missouri, it only lasts until the first frost, and it likes the heat of summer to come on to get really big and beautiful and bushy. So I'll put some pictures up, but just a quick story about Mahogany Splendor Hibiscus. I planted this for the first time last year, and I planted 25 plants. All of them germinated, all of them lived. Planted them out in the field. And about halfway through the summer, some bugs came in and just totally ate every leaf and made it impossible for me to use it as a filler. So I was really sad about that, and I thought, I wasn't going to get anything off of this. And so I just kind of let it go because I didn't need the space in my garden. So when I came back and checked on it maybe 2 weeks later, and it had all grown back and the bugs weren't there anymore. So I don't know what happened. I don't know if a bigger bug came in and ate all the little bugs, but it's just an amazing plant. You can cut and cut and cut off of it, and it loves our weather, it loves our humidity, and you don't need more than 25 plants unless you're like a commercial grower. I picked off of it all year and it just kept coming. So I'm going to show you how to seed these right now. Because you only get about 25 seeds per packet, I use a 24 cell tray, and so the cells are bigger, but that's okay because it can't go out until the last frost is over, or yeah, the last frost of the year has gone. So I'm gonna go ahead and tilt this down, let you see what I'm doing. All right. Okay, I've got this cell tray full of my pre-moistened soil mix, my germination mix, my seed starting mix, and here is my packet from Johnny's Mahogany Splendor. Okay, so these are pretty big seeds. I'll pour them in my hand and show you what we've got here. So as you can see, they are very visible, and the package only has 25 seeds in it, so I'm not going to multi-seed this because these plants get big and incredible. So I'm just pushing it firmly into the soil here, and then I'm gonna spray it with water, and I'm also gonna put vermiculite over the top. Just a side note, these will dye your hands red. When you pick them and you strip the leaves, they will dye your fingers red, so just be aware of that. Okay, so that is my 24 cell tray full. Just gonna use my water bottle to spray it and put vermiculite over the top. And then I'm gonna put my dome on, and I'm gonna set it under the light. And when 75% of this has germinated, I'm going to pull this lid off. Look what I found. Hello, beautiful. This is just one of the baby praying mantis I released this summer, hoping that I would get some, and she is the first one I've seen. She could be a boy, but I'm so excited. She's gonna keep all the bugs off my plants. My cutie.